Firecracker Penstemon, a burst of color for your garden. As a gardener, I'm always on the lookout for low-maintenance plants that pack a punch. Enter the Firecracker Penstemon, Penstemon Eatonii. This native North American wildflower lives up to its name with vibrant red blooms that erupt from spring to summer. But beyond the dazzling display, Firecracker Penstemon offers a surprising amount of resilience, making it a perfect choice for busy gardeners like myself. See more 288 species in genus Penstemon at monsteraholic.com. How to plant Firecracker Penstemon. Firecracker Penstemon isn't fussy about soil. In fact, it thrives in well-drained sandy or rocky conditions, the kind of soil that often proves challenging for other plants. This makes it a great option for xeriscaping, a landscaping approach that minimizes water use. Here's the best part: you can plant Firecracker Penstemon from seeds or transplants. Seeds are readily available online and at some nurseries. If you choose this route, sow them directly outdoors in the fall or early spring after the danger of frost has passed. Transplants offer a quicker path to blooms, but be sure to harden them off for a week before planting them in your garden. Spacing is key. Aim for 12 to 18 inches between plants to allow for proper air circulation and prevent overcrowding. Pro tip: when planting transplants, dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball and gently loosen the soil around the edges. This encourages the roots to spread outward and establish themselves more effectively. How much water does Firecracker Penstemon need? Remember, this is a drought-tolerant plant. Once established, Firecracker Penstemon requires minimal watering. Deep watering every few weeks, especially during hot, dry spells, is sufficient. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Here's a simple trick: stick your finger into the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. Firecracker Penstemon and the Sunshine Symphony. Firecracker Penstemon thrives in full sun. At least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day is ideal for optimal growth and flower production. However, it can tolerate some afternoon shade, especially in hotter climates. A feast for the senses: companion plants for Firecracker Penstemon. Firecracker Penstemon isn't just a visual treat, it also attracts a symphony of pollinators. Hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies flock to its vibrant blooms. To create a truly dazzling display, consider planting Firecracker Penstemon alongside other drought-tolerant perennials like lavender, yarrow, or ornamental grasses. The contrast in textures and colors will create a stunning focal point in your garden. Is Firecracker Penstemon poisonous to dogs? Unfortunately, yes, Firecracker Penstemon is considered toxic to dogs and other pets. The plant contains glycosides, which can cause stomach upset, vomiting, and diarrhea if ingested. If you have curious pups or feline friends who like to nibble on greenery, it's best to plant Firecracker Penstemon in a location they can't access. Firecracker Penstemon, a gardener's delight. Firecracker Penstemon is a low-maintenance powerhouse that brings a burst of color and life to any garden. With its easygoing nature, drought tolerance, and vibrant blooms, it's a plant that keeps on giving. So, if you're looking for a hassle-free addition to your garden that attracts pollinators and adds a touch of the wild, look no further than the Firecracker Penstemon.